Now I'm going to show you how to find out the minimum value from the list item. Now here one speciality is there. List is not what predefined. Okay, list will be now user defined. That means user who is using a program, user will create a list. It is not a predefined in a program, and from there it will not going to take. Okay, so this is what the important thing in this particular program, that the list that is being used, the list that is being used here is what, it is not a predefined part. Okay, this is not a predefined part, this is a section which has been used by the user. Those who are the user, they are giving the list. Okay, they are giving the list. So this is what the list is. Now you see how the program is being done. What has been done in the program, first I have taken in x1 one variable, I have taken x1. What, x1 equals to input, enter elements in a list. That means you have to enter the element in a list. How to enter the element, that I'll show you. Enter the element in the list. Okay, then what, size equals to length. Length of what, length means length. Okay, length means length, size equals to length. Length of what, length of x1, length of x1. So x1 length you will going to take. Now what, y equals to x1 zeroth position. That means first element of the value will going to store. Now one variable I have taken here for indexing. Index equals to 0. So index equals to 0, then what, for I in range. I in range what, 1 comma size minus 1. Okay, 1 comma size minus 1, that is the particular range that will going to be taken. So 1 comma size minus 1 means what is the length of it. Length has been taken. Suppose length come 10. So 10 minus 1 is what, up to 9. Okay, so that is what, if x1 I less than y, if x1 I is less than y, so y equals to what, x1 ith position value. That means x1 ith position value is less than y, then y, you set the value of y equals to x1 ith position value. The index, what, index will now become the I. What will be the value of I, that will be the index. Okay, now this is how the thing is been done. Now position, why position, this is the position what I am seeing, index plus 1. Why index plus 1? Because index plus 1 means originally computer will going to calculate from 0. Computer will going to calculate from 0, and when computer is calculating from 0 position, it will show you, suppose you are in the 7th position but it will show you 6. That means this will be a difficult for the user to understand that which position actually is, because he is not counting from the, always by default the mind will count from 1, not from the 0. So this is what you will going to see the thing is. So it is the part which you will going to implement. Okay, so this is the part which we are going to implement. So this is how you will going to find that particular structure of the program has been developed. Okay, this is how the particular structure of the program is developed. As the structure of the program is developed, what you will going to have, you will going to have a particular section that will going to implement here. Okay, so particular section that will going to implement here, that means which section it will implement, it will going to implement this particular area. That means these the elements what are there in the list, it will going to take from here. Okay, so this the element what it will going to take from here, this is the particular part that it will going to take from here. Now let us insert the values. Okay, suppose 56, 89, 5, 4, 6, 77, 40, 25, isn't it? Then suppose 30, then suppose 9. So those the values has been given. Now enter. Okay. Clear? So this is what it has kept the one particular